Wow is all we can say with today's trade of the day. It was actually yesterday's trade of the day as well. Neil broke down Digital World Acquisition Corp, DWAC, and wow, yesterday we thought it was crazy over here. 5 halts yesterday. I only have yesterday's up so you could just see how this was like down here. $7, $8, $10. We got to 40 and change, $50, and we were like, wow, I can't believe this stock. And I remember saying yesterday at our 3 p.m. show that this is going to be an after hours runner, but I guess it's a pre-market runner as well. As we come in today and we see all the way, I only have my chart set to 730, so it was already at $70+ at that point, and then the fun just started to happen. Of course, we get involved early in the pre-market. I just know, and I put it on the sticky note, I wanted to be long, like, all day if I could be, and we get the Christmas present, and we'll talk about that high tick rate there at 175. But basically, we're just buying. We buy at $81 really early in the morning. It goes all the way to 95. We're like, oh my God, what have we got here? Comes back in, and then we just start taking it out. It comes back in, it breaks. We take about $5 or $6 on the first trade. This is all pre-930, right? So here's the open, and then you're going to see what happens. But we start scalping. I actually have one short in here. This purple tick is a short. We shorted about 94.95 and got it out at VWAP about 84.85 and got it about 81 there. That was the only short we had on board. And then it was like, all right, we could see the volume starting to ramp up. Let's just get long. You see big volumes here as we head into the open, and then there's a halt situation, and we're going to talk about that now. So we actually get long right away, and this is our plan to hold it once 90 breaks. I'm always looking to get long on even dollars or 50 cents. In this situation, 50 cents and quarters and 75s doesn't really matter. So we take the 90 break at that time, was the high of the day. We take it, we get a part out, and then it is off to the races. This is when we get real super excited. It blasts all the way to the upside, and then right as it's about to halt, and this is the advantage that we have here on the show, we can see, watch us every day, we can see when it's about to halt. So you put in a bid, and you just hope to get long. And the halt price there, I don't know if what it was exactly, 131 or so, I think about. So we got long at 131 again, and then it was like, oh my God, when is this thing going to open? So there's the halt, and I even said it even as we were midway through the halt. I said we were going to get out of 60% of this trade. Unfortunately, I should have said 100% or 80 or 90%, but we only get out of 60% because, hey, we don't know where this thing's going. This is only after one halt. Remember, it halted 5 times yesterday, right? So, and finished near its highs or at its highs. So we still had opportunity to go long. We get out there. The sad part is we don't get out of the rest, and we basically get out for flat. Remember, we're still long at 90. We take another piece there. This just puts us out at that next halt price. We should have got out in and out here because it halts 2 more times. Either way, we leave some money on the table, but this is my best day of September, taking this 90, taking this 131, getting it out at 175, getting the rest out at 131 for big winners. And then we just started scalping around a little bit. We don't only have one more trade after that, and that was at this halt at 91. It actually opens up right at 91, so I did that same thing. I got out of 100% this time, thinking we may gap into this area. Unfortunately, we open up at the same price, and then the run happens, so I missed that. Look, DWAC has to be on your radar. You have to be an active trader. You have to be sitting at your computer, at your screens. Use stop limits. Use marketable orders if you need to. But the shares are going to start to run again here, I feel. You break this 120, and we may go again. But DWAC is your trade of the day. Join us again at 3 p.m. every single day and at 8:30. So we'll trade this again for sure on Monday and hopefully for a very long time. DWAC, your trade of the day.